move on.
Yeah.
But I'll be waiting for you guys. Reunion, ha?
Kapag kinabukasan, isang hindi
Gusto
inaasahang
niya,
balita ang
reunion.
matatanggap niya mula kay Kuya.
Jessica,
Yes, kuya?
meron akong mahalagang sasabihin sa iyo. Mayroon akong natanggap na balita. May kinalaman ito sa isa sa pamilya mo,
Okay.
partikular na sa lola mo.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Ayak na siya.
Ano kaya nangyari?
Has something to do with my lola?
Jessica, mabigat sa loob ko yung sasabihin ko sa iyo.
Just say it.
Yeah, say it.
What happened to
Huwag
her?
ka pabain.
Your lola passed away.
Oh my gosh.
Very real.
Yeah.
Very real
No,
siya.
Yeah.
this is very hard for you to take.
I want to go home, kuya. I need to be with my family, kuya.
Paiyak.
I understand your decision.
It just sucks because I'm supposed to do this for her. And then now that this happened, it's like, what's the point anymore?
I'm very sorry, Jessica. Rest assured, Jessica, that you have my full support. I know how important it is
Swakto, no?
for you to be
Yung sabi niya
with
gusto
your
niyang
family.
lumabas.
That's why
Tapos sabi niya, who knows, I need to go out na.
Yeah.
By me leaving, it's not because I'm giving up. It's just to be with my family.
alam ko kung gaano ka kalakas, Jessica, and how deserving you are to be in my house. But right now,
Your family needs you.
family comes first.
Thank you for telling me.
Just let her come back na lang.
Isang malungkot na balita nga po ang aming natanggap mula sa pamilya ni Jessica at lubos na nauunawaan ni Kuya ang kanyang desisyon na lumabas ng bahay. Dahilan po yan ang pagpili ng